In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Base44 project dashboard in Chrome and set up an API gateway. Let's dive in right away. First, ensure you're logged into your Base44 account using the Chrome browser. Once you're logged in, look for your project dashboard. This will serve as your central hub where you manage all the crucial aspects of your projects. The dashboard is usually the first thing you'll see after logging in, making navigation straightforward. Next, when you're on your dashboard, it's time to navigate to the API management or integration section. This is where you can view, create, and manage all the APIs related to your projects. Look for a tab or menu labeled API management or integrations. It should be relatively easy to spot. This section is crucial for maintaining the flow of data between different software applications. After that, you'll want to select the Create API Gateway option. This is a pivotal step because an API gateway acts as a bridge that securely handles requests from different clients to your backend services. By selecting this option, you're on your way to establishing a new path for data exchange. Now comes the defining stage, where you'll need to specify the endpoints, choose the methods, such as get and post, and outline the request parameters. Endpoints are essentially the touch points where your API interacts with the client applications. Methods like get and post are HTTP requests used to communicate data between client and server. Make sure you carefully define these as they will determine how data is requested and transmitted. Setting authorization and security settings is a critical step following this. Here, you'll ensure your API gateway is secure and that only authorized users or systems can access your services. Consider implementing token-based authentication or IP restrictions to safeguard your gateway. This protects your data and backend systems from unauthorized access, ensuring everything remains secure and private. Once you've meticulously set everything up, it's time to test the API gateway. You can use the built-in tools provided by Base44, or opt for external clients such as Postman. Testing is indispensable because it allows you to ensure everything operates as intended. Try out different scenarios and observe how your gateway handles them, making any necessary adjustments to perfect functionality. Lastly, after successfully testing the API gateway, the final task is to deploy it for use with your app or website. This means making the gateway live so it can handle real requests from users. Go through the deployment process carefully and always keep an eye on how the integration performs once it's up and running. And remember, after deployment, it's a good practice to monitor the gateway periodically to ensure it continues to function properly and make adjustments as needed. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up an API gateway within your Base44 project dashboard using Chrome. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now well equipped to create secure and effective API gateways for your projects.